Hey, this is Jack Turk from the Killer Marketing Machines Lab, and we're going to try today the very first digital ab experiment. So today's experiment is the AI-powered offer destruction test. So here's what I'm going to do with these experiments. I'm going to go through the instructions and see how they actually produce. What happens, what works, what doesn't work. And the goal is to go through different AI tools, AI processes, automation processes, etc., and see what works, what doesn't work, what kind of results we get. So the objective of the AI-powered offer destruction test is to use AI to deliberately break and rebuild your offer. Actually, it's going to be my offer, but identifying its weak points and enhancing its strengths to make it irresistible. Now, here's why this matters. If your offer isn't converting, something's broken. But instead of just keeping tweaking it, blindly, this experiment forces you to break it on purpose because it's important to break things on purpose. That, in fact, is one of the first commandments of the Killer Marketing Machines Manifesto. Break things on purpose. So when you break it on purpose, it will reveal where it fails and possibly even how to fix it. At least that's what I'm hoping for. AI will help speed up this process, giving me fresh angles and maybe some, ideas that can increase the value. So here's the equipment. You're going to see this with all the videos. What are the tools you need in your lab? Well, today, all you're going to need, very simple, is Chat GPT. That's chat.openai.com. You can use the free version. I'm going to be using the $20 a month version that I have. I haven't done anything to this. It's not a special GPT, etc. It's just going to be flat out what they're giving you right now. So I think that'll be interesting to see. You also need your offer. What is the product or service that you're currently selling? I'm going to talk about a product. Actually, it's not a product. It might be a product at some point. But anyway, it's an idea I have for a kind of a back end product for the stuff I do here at Killer Marketing Machines. And you use this prompt. So let's try this out here. The experiment step by step. We want to open ChatGPT. Let's find ChatGPT here. And where is it at? Here we go. I've got it. Here we go. ChatGPT. Now, what I'm going to need to do is, for the instructions, I'm selling blank your offer. So I'm selling. Let's talk about my offer. What my offer is going to be is a workshop on creating your digital doppelganger, an AI-powered version of you that can write like you and be used as basically a bonus brain to help you craft copy and other marketing assets faster and more effectively. The workshop will take place later this month. I'm thinking maybe end of February. Actually, probably not. Actually, the workshop will probably take place early in March and will involve let's just say it's going to involve 3 live sessions, 3 1-hour live sessions where I teach exactly how to create a custom GPT that can write in your voice. I'm pricing will be $497 with possibly an early bird discount. Or even maybe a founder's discount. We'll figure that out. So that's the offer. And what's the rest of the play? So break this offer by listing the 5 top reasons someone won't buy, and then reconstruct it by adding irresistible elements that overcome each objection. Make the final version 10 times more compelling. All right. Let's see. I've just put that in. Break this offer by listing the top 5 reasons someone would buy, and then reconstruct it by adding irresistible elements that overcome objection. Make that final one 10 times more compelling. Let's see what it delivers. So here's a breakdown of the 5 key objections. Price concern. They might think $497, even with a discount, is too high. Okay, that's fair. Tech intimidation. Many may worry they're not tech savvy enough to create an AI in their own voice. That's fair enough. Skepticism about results. They may doubt that an AI can truly capture the unique tone or deliver quality copy. Time constraints. Busy individuals might feel that committing to 3 live 1-hour sessions is too much of a time investment. Lack of ongoing support. Some might be unsure whether they get the help they need after the session to implement what they learn. So let's make this 10 times more compelling. So here it is. It actually drafted some copy for me. Unlock your digital doppelganger. Create your AI bonus brain to write like you. Imagine saving hours each week while keeping your unique voice intact. This exclusive workshop in early March is designed to show you exactly how to build a custom AI that writes in your copy, even if you're not a tech wizard. Here's what you get. Proven value at a fair price for just $4.97. You're investing in a tool that can double your productivity. Early bird founders make this even sweeter deal. Plus, we back it up with 100% money back guarantee if you're not satisfied. First session, step by step, no tech jargon training. 3 1-hour sessions. You'll be guided through real results. Your voice amplified. See firsthand how to create an AI that works faster, but does it in your exact tone. We'll share success stories and proven copywriting strategies from experts like Dan Kennedy and Gary Halbert that show you how this bonus brain can elevate your marketing. Time saving, on-demand learning. Each session is recorded, of course. Lifetime support and community access. You won't be left in the dark. You'll have access to a private community where you can ask questions. This isn't just another workshop, but your shortcut to creating a digital version that works tirelessly to make your copywriting faster, better, and more in your voice. Reserve your seat now. All right. That's all right. So paste it. All right. So now, okay, those aren't bad. That's actually pretty well done. I think it's a pretty strong, not a bad offer. Now, here's another optimization. Now refine this offer using the principles of scarcity, urgency, and exclusivity. So let's just add that in there. And we see what we get. Okay. Proven value at a fair price. Invest just $4.97 with a spurly. Once the discount period ends, again, seats are filled. This opportunity won't be offered again at this price. Step by step, no tech jargon training. Over 3, you'll be guided every step in plain language. Even if you've never built an AI before, you'll be up and running quickly. Real results on time. All sessions recorded, but remember, only available in early March. So there's a scarcity again. Exclusive training, that's exclusive. So urgency, exclusivity. So actually, this is not bad. I probably would have had possibly more specifics about the pricing, more specifics about scarcity, but overall, this is not bad. I think if I'm looking at, let's see what else is, what did we learn? It's pretty decent. It does offer value stacking. I think it's definitely a better offer than what I put there. So I think overall, this is not a bad first start. Kind of interesting to see what I got. I'm actually going to refine this offer, and I'll let you know exactly when it's ready to go. So I plan on releasing that. But anyway, this is what I did today. I thought you might find this interesting and check it out. Let me know your feedback, your thoughts. Give it a try on your offer, see what happens. And until later, innovate, automate, dominate.